Hey, Eagle Run 2-3. All right, so the garden is in sad shape this year, and we decided to just work on the garden this year and not so much working in the garden. So I've removed this bed. I'm gonna end up replacing all three of these, but I already had tomatoes going. We had good tomatoes this year, but just one bed, so not as much as normal. My vines have fallen down. Those are normally going up the trellis there to shade the west side of the house. And those two beds have nothing in them. That's just what they look like naturally. So kind of ugly back here, but gonna make it better for next time. So I ordered 2 fig trees. Now I have these 2 beds that normally set along the fence line, but you can see the fence line is gone right now. So we're gonna be putting up a new fence soon, but these 2 beds were supposed to be overflow for tomatoes, but we just let them go this year. And I've just been weed eating around them, and this is what they look like. So the plan is to have 1 fig tree here and the other fig tree there. And I ordered these fig trees from Stark Brothers, and one of them is in beautiful shape, looks awesome, ready to plant. The other one is not so good a shape. So I'm hoping they're gonna send me a new one, but I'm going ahead and plant them, see what happens. They said just to go ahead and see what happens, and I guess they're gonna send me a new one or refund me or something, but I'll talk more about the fig trees later. For now, we've got to completely clean out this bed and get it ready to put some trees in there. I think I'm just gonna use the wood as my ring around the tree for weed eating. And then maybe I can potentially have some other stuff growing around the tree, at least as the tree grows up. At least that's the plan. We'll see what happens. So if you'll remember, I've only turned this a handful of times and it has made some amazing dirt. I'm excited about this. I actually have thrown some out and then grass grew in it, but I threw some good dirt out. I'm gonna throw the rest of this out, and then we'll compost everything here that's coming out of these beds, and we'll make some more dirt. So far so good on the DIY compost bin. I can see why people have 2 chambers though, because when you just throw your dirt over here, stuff grows in it because it's good dirt. All right, well, with great effort, we have cleaned out this bed, and it's ready for our fig tree. Still got 1 to go over there. We'll get there. And I've got some of the good mulch out of the compost bin. We're gonna put that in the planter, and we've added our grass to the top here, and we'll turn that and get it watered down and have a new batch of dirt. That probably won't be ready till spring. It takes a little while. That other stuff took about 3 months. So yeah, anyway, working in the right direction. Let's get the hole dug and get our fig tree in there. All right, so here is our fig tree. This is a Stark Brothers Texas Everbearing, and it is safe to go in the ground all year long here in my zone. Kind of an afterthought to use this as its tree ring, but I think it's gonna work just great. So we've got it at the right level, and looks like we've got it mulched in here pretty good. I might add some mulch as this goes down, but still got the other one to do. So the other one is the one that doesn't look very good. So I'm gonna wait till I hear back, I think. I don't know, I might put it in the ground, but I might wait till I hear back from them. I'm surprised I haven't heard back from them yet. That was late last week when I sent them an email, so. All right, well, this is gonna be a fig tree. Hopefully it will make some fruit for the family. Eagle Run 2-3. Thanks for watching.